What's the meaning of cattle duffing? Cattle duffing. Cattle duffing.
Cattle duffing. Cattle duffing. Cattle duffing refers to the act of stealing or illegally altering livestock identification tags or brands. The purpose of cattle duffing can include concealing the identity of stolen animals, avoiding fees associated with livestock ownership, or fraudulently altering the sale of animals. Cattle duffing can be a serious crime in many countries and can result in hefty fines or imprisonment. Furthermore, it can have detrimental effects on the livestock industry, as it can cause financial losses for farmers and disrupt the traceability and safety of livestock products.